but with Ronaldo and Messi. So this view is from my drone. Oh, looks like Swaraj just scored a goal. Let's see who else scores a goal right now. The score is 2-3. If you remember, guys, the score is 2-3. Oh shit. Oh, that's not a goal, guys. The goal is from the white pole to that. And over there, from that pole to that. So, looks like it's Ridan's goal kick. I don't know why, but let's see. Oh, it's a penalty because Swaraj did a foul on Ridan 1 minute ago. And Ridan hits. And Ridan hits a far. Ridan just hit a far goal. He hit an A goal. It's Swaraj's goal kick right now, guys. And Ridan can't even afford shoes because he's not even wearing shoes. I hope he couldn't hear me while I'm saying this. So looks like it's Swaraj goal kick. Oh, Swaraj has the ball right now. He should shoot it. Guys. He just did a rainbow. He should be shooting right now, guys, but he lost it. And that's my Trionda, by the way, guys. I bought it for $170. Guys, Ridan maybe will shoot it. Oh shit, he didn't shoot it. It's a ball out. The score is 2-3 right now, guys. Swaraj is getting in the way and he's found a way through it. Oh shit. Swaraj just found a way through it, guys. And he lost it. He gave a far at it. Swaraj just gave a far at it. He just found a way through it and then he lost it, guys. Swaraj's phone is getting wet, so he hid it under the tree. So, guys, halftime is going to start in 40 minutes. So, guys, Ridan has the ball right now. I think sides changed. I don't remember. Guys, looks like Ridan's going to shoot it. Ridan, shoot it. Ridan, shoot it. Ridan, don't shoot it. What is he doing? He just hit a ball out. What the hell? Oh, it's a corner. I didn't hear that, bro. Oh, Swaraj just found a way through it. And he shot that almost goal. He was about to hit a goal, but he lost his control. And then he shot it at the side. And behind, Arnav is playing with a football. Swaraj is on the lead. And Ridan is almost on the lead. Ridan has the ball at this moment. Swaraj has found a way through and he's about to shoot that goal. I'm a Messi fan, by the way. He's not a noob. He's oh shit. It's a ball out. It's a ball out, I guess, guys. Guys, it's about to fall in the swimming pool. Save it, Swaraj. Oh, okay, he found it. That's a Trionda that costed $170. So it shouldn't go in the swimming pool because it's not completely waterproof. It is water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So, guys, it's Swaraj's goal kick because it went through there. And Ridan shot it from one side. So, and this is the drone view, by the way. Ridan has found a way through it. And then it's ball in. Ridan. No, leave it. It's a ball in. Ridan found a way through it. And Ridan found the ball. Ridan has the ball. He can shoot that. It's a ball in. Oh, he did a backstab. Go. Swaraj has the ball right now. Swaraj is a good tackler. He should be tackling right now. It's ball in. Why is he letting it go out? Okay, it's in. And it was a pole, guys. That was so close. It was about to be a goal, but it was a pole. Unfortunately, Ridan is behind anyways. So, who cares? Who the hell cares? And look at Arnav practicing his skills. Oh shit, Swaraj just shot Ridan's ball. Swaraj is crying right now, guys, because this is an actual Society Olympics match, guys. If you didn't know that. This is not just for fun. This is an actual match. Everyone is spectating it. Do you want proof? I'll show it later. This is an actual match. If he loses this, it's going to come again in after 4 years. So Swaraj found a way through in, and it's a goal. 4-2, 4-2, 4-2. This is a match of 10 points. Let's see if Ridan finds a way through it. Ridan can shoot it. He's in. Oh, he took a turn. He took a quick turn. I think Swaraj has the ball right now. Oh, Ridan got it. Take a turn. Swift. Okay. Save it. And guys, there's no offside in this match, okay? Swaraj will shoot it, guys. That's a ball out. That wasn't a goal, guys. He's crying again. I can see him from closer, and I have proof that he's crying. He's actually crying, guys. You can look at him. I don't know why he's crying. Ridan should be crying right now. He's crying a lot. He spat it. He's crying a lot. I don't know what they're doing right now, guys. This is drone view. I'm just spying on this from my bedroom. Guys, that's Swaraj's ball. Hey, udhar hai, huh? Start. Match start. Half time. Sides change. Ridan goes on that side and Swaraj goes on this side. Sides change because I forgot to tell you guys that goalpost is actually bigger. Swaraj does not know that. I scaled it. That goalpost was 10.5 feet and that goalpost is 10 feet. Game starts. Hey, he just did a nutmeg and then he can shoot. Shot. Goal. He's crying, guys. He's crying. Why is he crying? He's crying from so much time, guys. I don't know why the heck he's crying. Was that a goal? That's a goal. Ridan just scored a goal. I think he did because I don't understand from the stupid drone view. I bought this drone only for... Wait. Is that the World Cup ball? No, it's not. Okay. It's 6-4 right now, guys. My throat is paining from speaking so much, guys. Okay, now Ridan's, he can't even afford shoes, guys. And he can't even afford roasts. Okay, and he can't even afford assault rifle. What was that shoot? That was a shot, brother. That was an awesome shot. He just shot an awesome shot. This is half time, by the way. That's why they are practicing random skills. They are doing anything like as if it's Ohio. Oh no, it was almost a goal. Let's see if Swaraj locks in. If he does not lock in, I'm gonna charge him $5 million. Okay, Ridan has the ball right now, guys. And he just shot a wonderful out goal. It's a goal! Goal. Empire decision goal. 5-6. 10-point match. Go. Ball out. So guys, right now we are using Swaraj's ball. It's halftime right now, so that's why it has paused. Swaraj's ball is right there, guys. So Swaraj is taking his ball right now. Swaraj, take it. Guys, I just saw a big ass honeybee. What if it bites me? This is drone view, guys. I'm in my room right now. The drone view voice and my voice are colliding. So what's happening over here? That was green screen when my hand came in. Do you get it, guys? Score is 5-6. Swaraj is taking a go kick. Let's see if